A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dua of Sehri. So read after me. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa bisawmi. Wa bisawmi. Ghadin nawaitu. Ghadin nawaitu. من شهر رمضان من شهر رمضان. We say again. وبالصوم. The sword is in green color. We read in heavy sound. وبالصوم غد نويت. On the noon we make ghunna sound. من شهر رمضان. On the noon here in pink color we make ikhfa sound. We hide the sound of noon here. We repeat it. وبصوم غد نويت من شهر رمضان. وبصوم غد نويت من شهر رمضان. If you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. And if you didn't subscribe our channel, so please subscribe it. See you inshallah in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.